Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast that explores the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is breakthrough. It's a C1 level noun meaning an important discovery. So, what exactly does breakthrough mean? Well, it refers to a significant advance or discovery that overcomes a barrier or a limitation. Think of it as a moment of sudden progress that changes everything. It's not just a small improvement, it's a major leap forward. We often use breakthrough to describe advances in science, technology, medicine, or even personal development. For example, a scientist might announce a breakthrough in cancer research, or an athlete might experience a breakthrough in their training. Let's explore some synonyms for breakthrough. One synonym is advance. The advance in medical technology has improved patient care. Another synonym is discovery. The discovery of a new planet excited astronomers worldwide. We can also use the word innovation. This technological innovation is changing the way we communicate. Yet another synonym is progression. The progression in his language skills was remarkable after just a few months of study. Finally, consider the word improvement. A significant improvement in the company's profits was observed this quarter. Now, let's consider some antonyms for breakthrough. An antonym is a word with the opposite meaning. One antonym for breakthrough is setback. The budget cuts were a major setback for the research project. Another antonym is failure. The experiment ended in failure, despite all the scientists' efforts. We could also use the word reversal. The court's decision was a reversal of the previous ruling. Another fitting antonym is regression. There was a regression in the patient's condition after the surgery. Finally, the word impasse can be considered an antonym. Negotiations reached an impasse, and no progress was made. So, how can you use breakthrough in everyday life? Well, imagine you're struggling to learn a new skill. You might say, I had a breakthrough in my understanding of the concept. Or perhaps you're working on a challenging project at work. You could say, we're hoping for a breakthrough soon so we can finally launch the product. You might also hear people say things like, this new drug is a potential breakthrough in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease, or the company is known for its technological breakthroughs. Here are some example sentences and phrases using breakthrough. The team achieved a significant breakthrough in their research on renewable energy. The breakthrough came after years of dedicated effort. Scientists are on the verge of a major breakthrough in understanding the human brain. This invention represents a remarkable breakthrough in engineering. She experienced a personal breakthrough when she finally overcame her fear of public speaking. The breakthrough in communication technology revolutionized the world. We need a breakthrough to solve this complex problem. The breakthrough allowed them to move forward with their plans. It was a breakthrough moment for the entire team when they realized the solution. They celebrated the scientific breakthrough with a toast. To summarize, breakthrough is a C1 level noun that signifies an important discovery or advance that overcomes a significant obstacle. We've explored synonyms like advance, discovery, innovation, progression, and improvement, as well as antonyms like setback, failure, reversal, regression, and impasse. We've also seen how breakthrough is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing to the podcast and leaving a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn new English vocabulary. And now for your challenge. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word breakthrough and share it as a comment under this video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep saying hello to new words.